So first off, I decided to make a mask for Marshmello. So I'm just drawing out a template, and then I'm gonna cut it out of a bleach bottle. Marks here, and I draw them here, and this is my template. So now I'm just gonna color it in with Sharpies, see if I like the design, and then move on to actually putting it on the bleach bottle as. Next thing I'm gonna do is cut it out and cut out around the bleach bottle, around the lines, so it will fit perfectly, like so, around it. I find it easier if you are gonna cut something like this, you want to pinch it, like so, because it will be easier to get like that first cut. If I could just get the first little cut. And I broke my scissors. No. It's okay, we can still fix this. We can still fix this, guys. I can still work with it, I think. Please? Oh, no. Do I want to use these scissors? No, I don't. But look how good they cut. They cut really well. Okay, so after I got the plastic cut, I basically taped this to the back side of this because I can see the design through here. I'm just going to trace that around it and we will have our thing. Okay, so basically this is how the mask looks. This is 2 coats of paint, and then I did some splotching around it to make it look more, you know, detailed. So next thing I'm going to do is seal it with Mod Podge to seal in the paint. Okay, so after that I am just going to poke some holes on the side so I can put some string through it and poke the hole like that. So we're gonna grab our string and string that through, then we're gonna tie a knot here. And I got my mask finished. So basically how it's going to look is I have my hair, and then when I have the rest of my stuff on, I'll just put this over the wig like so on the side. And if I want, got my little marshmallow. So I decided that I want a more rusted look, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to add some various paints to the edges to make it look rusted. I did want to burn it, but I don't trust myself with fire, so this is gonna have to do. So basically this is how my costume looks so far, just my Jeff the Killer hoodie, my Jeff the Killer wig, and then just replace it with a marshmallow face and do some face paint and I should be good to go. So it is time to start the face paint. So what we're gonna do is first we're gonna coat the face in white, and so we're gonna do an outline of Marshmallow's face. So I got my outline done. Now I'm just going to fill in the rest with white before I do the black. So now I'm going to add the black.